is a rainbow pencil. The lead is made with lots of colors, but the outside of the pencil is kinda plain, so we're going to bling it up. Using just a few craft supplies, we're going to decorate it by giving it a super easy makeover and transform it from dull to dazzling. First, I'm going to wrap the pencil with washi tape. Washi tape comes in all sorts of pretty designs. It sticks well to pencils. Plus, the pencil can still be sharpened with the tape on it. I'm just going to pick some of the wider tape and tape it down the side. I really like this design. It's not wide enough to cover the whole pencil, so I will use as many strips as I need to cover it. In this case, I'm going to use 2 strips. I apply a strip of the tape lengthwise to one side of the pencil and then cut it. Then I smooth it down so it sticks. Next, I apply another strip of tape to the other side of the pencil and smooth it down too. The outside of the pencil should be completely covered. Sometimes washi tape is a little stubborn and doesn't want to stick well. You can try using a glue stick to make it stickier. By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far, please like and subscribe. Next, the end of this pencil doesn't have an eraser. Because it's blank, I think I want to add something to it. I have these really cute sparkly pom-poms that come in lots of different colors. Let's glue these on with hot glue. If you don't want to use pom-poms, there are lots of other pencil toppers that you can find at craft stores or online, or you can just leave it uncovered. Lastly, I want to add just a bit more bling. I'm going to use glitter glue. It's simple, but it still adds a bit of sparkle. I'm going to keep this near the top of the pencil because I don't want it to get in the way of the pencil sharpener. The glue takes a little while to dry. Make sure you prop the pencil up so the glue doesn't touch anything while it's drying. There we go, a decorated rainbow pencil. Let's test it out. It sharpens well. Let's do a little coloring. Looks good. Decorating a rainbow pencil is an easy and fast craft. So I hope this gave you some ideas for decorating pencils. Happy crafting and coloring!